Hey everyone, welcome back to USA Car Review. Today, we're diving into the all-new 2026 Renault Grand Captur, a crossover that promises to redefine comfort, technology, and performance in its segment. If you're looking for a stylish, spacious, and tech-packed SUV, this might just be the perfect choice for you. Renault has taken a bold step forward with the design of the 2026 Grand Captur. The exterior features a more sculpted look, with a redesigned front grille, sleek LED headlights, and dynamic body lines that give it a sportier and more premium appearance. The larger alloy wheels and new color options further enhance its road presence, making it one of the most stylish crossovers in its category. Under the hood, the 2026 Grand Captur is expected to offer a range of powertrains, including efficient hybrid and plug-in hybrid options. Renault's latest hybrid technology ensures lower emissions and better fuel efficiency without compromising performance. The plug-in hybrid variant will likely deliver an impressive all-electric range, making it an excellent choice for both city commutes and long highway drives. Step inside, and you'll find a completely revamped interior designed for maximum comfort and convenience. High-quality materials, soft-touch surfaces, and ambient lighting create a premium feel. The new infotainment system boasts a large touchscreen display with Renault's latest EasyLink interface, supporting wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. A fully digital instrument cluster, a head-up display, and an advanced driver assistance suite bring the latest in automotive technology to the Grand Captur. Passenger space has also improved, thanks to a longer wheelbase, offering more legroom and cargo capacity. The flexible seating arrangement and smart storage solutions make it ideal for families and adventure seekers alike. Safety remains a top priority, with the 2026 Grand Captur featuring Renault's latest safety innovations, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and an enhanced 360-degree camera system. These features ensure a safer and more confident driving experience in any condition. On the road, the Grand Captur delivers a smooth and responsive drive, with improved suspension tuning for better ride comfort and handling. Whether you're navigating city streets or exploring the open road, this SUV offers a well-balanced driving experience with excellent fuel efficiency and minimal noise levels. The 2026 Renault Grand Captur is a compelling choice for those looking for a stylish, tech-savvy, and practical crossover. With its bold design, efficient powertrains, luxurious interior, and cutting-edge technology, it stands out in the competitive compact SUV market. What do you think about the 2026 Renault Grand Captur? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to USA Car Review for more in-depth car reviews and the latest automotive updates. See you in the next video.